With a split-second adjustment, the fish bends in mid-air and collects the prize. Anacondas are the largest of all snakes. They grow to over 200 kilos. And they usually stalk their prey from the water. But it's not fish that they're after. If the monkeys stray too close to the water, they will be in danger. The scout gives a warning call. That might have to be the end of the monkey's meal for today. But now the Piliputanga know where the fruit is. And there's still plenty left on the tree. In the monkey's absence, they go for it themselves. Success or failure is just a matter of millimeters.